Hello everyone, so today we're going to unbox studio monitors for M Audio BX8 D2. So this is the box it comes in. Let's see what is inside. So let's open the box. So we purchased this for
72,000
but
PKR.
yeah, PKR, that is Pakistani rupees.
And it's not available in Lahore for now. We have bought it from Karachi, and we have just received the package.
So this is the original box of the studio monitors. Let us open this and check what is inside. This is the packaging comes in. This is thermocol, right?
Yes. The packing looks really great. There is good padding to
avoid any damages here. So here we have two separate monitors. And then they're quite heavy. Be careful. Be careful. So as you can see, Iksan is struggling with lifting the monitors. So here we have our first look at the studio monitor. This is M8, so it is 8 inches in diameter. We have two separate power cables for each of the speakers. This is the other one. How much do you think it weighs, this one?
It's about 10 kgs each.
Each?
Yes.
So it's quite heavy.
So 20 kgs both.
20 kgs, yeah. Make sure they don't fall.
Yeah.
So here we have an extra, what do you call this, adapter?
This is the connecting cable. This is like 3 mm jack to TRS.
So what is it used for?
This is to connect the audio monitor directly to the 3 mm jack.
Like from a phone or to the computer?
For a phone or a laptop, yes, without the audio interface.
So normally this thing costs around 500 rupees, but we got it for free in the package.
Yes. So that's it for the unboxing, and these the things that.
So can you tell what these monitors are used for?
So
what is the
monitors
purpose?
Will serve as a detailing speakers for our audio production, and we can do all sorts of music production using these monitors.
Okay, so that's it then, right? That was the unboxing for M
Audio BX8
D2 studio monitors. Thank you very much. Bye bye.